Welcome to St Ark Designs, and in today's video I will be showing you how to create a splatter brush in Inkscape. But before we begin, I ask that you like, share, comment, and most of all subscribe and turn on post notifications so you're notified every time I post. And without wasting any time, let's get into it. To get started, select the ellipsis tool and hold in Ctrl Shift and drag to create an equal circle. Open the Object tab and select Fill and Strokes to open the Fill and Strokes menu. Select the circle and select Fill in the Fill and Strokes menu and apply a radial gradient. Select the circle, open the Filters tab, select Overlays and select Noise Fill. Be sure to toggle Live Preview to see the object change as you alter it. Open the Noise Color dialog in the Noise Fill menu, set Alpha to 0, set Lightness to 0, and Saturation to 0. And now switch back to the Options dialog. For Turbulence type, ensure you select Fractal Noise. Increase horizontal frequency till satisfied, increase dilatation, and make the erosion a quarter of dilatation, and now click Apply. Select the newly created object and open the Edit tab and select Make a Bitmap Copy. Select the new object, open the Path tab and select Trace Bitmap and set the threshold to 0,970 and now click Apply. Now select the newly created object and open the Path tab, because what we want to do is smooth the object out a little bit. Now click Simplify and do it a couple times until satisfied. And now when that's done, just select the spray tool, and that's how you create a splatter brush in Inkscape. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.